Welcome back to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're taking a look at Mint Mobile, found at www.minttmobile.com. Mint Mobile offers a prepaid wireless service that aims to provide affordable cellular plans. Their website highlights a variety of plan options with differing data allowances, all at competitive price points. They advertise a straightforward, no-contract approach to mobile phone service, allowing customers flexibility and control over their spending. Mint Mobile utilizes T-Mobile's network infrastructure, which provides extensive coverage across the United States. They also offer features like Wi-Fi calling and mobile hotspot capabilities, depending on the chosen plan. The website boasts about their easy-to-use online portal and mobile app for managing your account, including checking usage, renewing your plan, and contacting customer support. Mint Mobile encourages potential customers to check their coverage availability using their online tool before signing up for a plan. They frequently promote special deals and discounts, especially for new customers. The site features testimonials and reviews from users, showcasing their positive experiences with the service. They also offer a detailed FAQ section to address common questions and concerns. The website has a modern and user-friendly design, making it easy to navigate and find the information you need. They emphasize their commitment to customer satisfaction and offer various ways to get in touch with their support team. In addition to their phone plans, Mint Mobile occasionally offers deals on devices, further enticing budget-conscious consumers. It's worth noting that while Mint Mobile uses T-Mobile's network, data speeds may be prioritized differently compared to direct T-Mobile customers during periods of high network congestion. Overall, Mint Mobile presents itself as a cost-effective and flexible wireless option for those looking to save money on their phone bill.